Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Dad and Lad Adventures. My name is Gareth, and in the back there is Josh. And the whole point about this channel is about us just going and having a little bit of fun. This was all Josh's idea, and I want to show him that if you put your mind to it, anything is possible. So today we're going to be going out to a beautiful river in just outside of Port Elizabeth called Sunday's River. Where we're going to go and spend some dad time on the river, doing some fishing and things that we enjoy. So as we go along, I will keep recording, and if you enjoy what you see, please like and subscribe, and enjoy the channel. What you doing, Josh?
Taking the light off.
You helping?
Yeah.
Thank you, boy.
Yeah. How where must I put this?
You can give it to me. Okay, you want to do this one?
Ah, yeah.
Other way?
India can be in one of our channels. What?
Yeah.
Channels. That can India be in one of our channels?
Yeah. In one of our videos.
Yeah.
If her mom and dad say so.
Is she allowed to be on YouTube?
I don't know. Yeah,
Look where I landed.
I see.
Oh, this water. Go, go. Oh. Hey! Oh my gosh! I'm going to tell you if there's fish at the moment. Ay! What is happening? Now can I go down here? How do you put a pee for me?
Deep enough.
For what? Hey!
Howdy guys. Alright, well we've managed to get some bait. We got some nice little pink prawns. The mullet seemed to be eluding us today. So yeah, we're gonna try our luck. We're gonna put a line out now and we'll let you know if anything bites. Hoping that it does. Howdy guys, well just a little bit of an update. We've been sitting on the river now for give or take about an hour or so fishing. One little chase. One little run of the ratchet pretty much, and that's about it. Water seems very still. but it's the most glorious day out here. The absolutely most glorious day. What more could you ask for in Africa? There you guys. Okay, seems we've got a little bit of a fish on here. This stage, not sure what it is. I imagine it's a grunter. Going under the boat. Okay, Josh, move away, boy.
I need to lift.
Nice grunter, Josh. Come look at it, nice grunter, boy. Wait. You're going to come and scoop him out, boy. Don't drop the net, eh? Scoop him. Okay, wait, let Dad do it. That's a nice size fish. Huh? Yes, that one, that we can cook for supper. Well, there guys, there you go. We've got a very nice grunter here. That is a beautiful. Huh? How's that, Joshy?
It's a big one.
That's a big fish, right?
But where are we going to put him in?
Just right. Just need to get his hook out. Come on. Where are these pliers?
What happened?
Just right. That's a very nice grunter, boy. Straight down. Yeah, that hook is deep as well. There we go. Wait. There we go. How's that, boy, kids? How's that for a nice fishy, Joshy? Huh? How's it mooing?
I showed him the fish.
Hi guys. So as you guys saw in that previous clip, we managed to get a really nice grunter. From then till now seems a little bit quiet at the moment, but yeah, we're going to remain hopeful that we can get another one. We'll probably sit out here for about another hour or so. Josh is chilling, he's having some quiet time on his iPad, and yeah, just enjoying being out and about. Such beautiful weather. We really are privileged living in Africa. Hey, what's up guys? Just doing a little bit of trawling here at the moment. Absolutely beautiful conditions. We're all out there, and Josh is driving us. Hi there guys. Alright, that brings us to the end of our dad and lad adventure today. We've had a really nice day. The weather was really great. Got a little bit overcast now, a little bit windy, but it's not too bad. This morning was absolutely beautiful, And yeah, we had a good day in the water. We managed to catch one nice little grunter. And yeah, Joshy, anything you want to say? Did you have fun? Was the fish big? Huh? Yeah. Are we going to catch more like that? Yeah. Alright, well, cool guys. I will update you as we go along. I'll do a little bit of a I'll maybe do some pictures later when we do the fish for dinner. This one we decided to keep. It's been a while since we've kept a fish, so yeah, we're going to enjoy it. Hey Josh. Cheers.